In a country where there's a dearth of racetracks, Himachal Pradesh is considered to be hallowed ground for bikers. Tarmac, twisties, trails, off-road, Himachal has it all. We have our motorcycles and, more importantly, the ideal set of tires to make our own tracks. The plan is to ride to Chanshal Pass, the tallest peak in Shimla district.
As Abhishek prefers taking the shorter way home, his ADV gets the Reise trailRs.
The only 50/50 tires that are made in India. I prefer the twisties, but well, with the Reise tourRs by my side, I wouldn't mind taking on some of the rough stuff either. Well, only one way to find out. In a country that's so diverse, the challenges are equally diverse too. And that's why you need tires cut out for combat. After all, they're the only point of contact between the road and the machine. The tourRs come with a 70-30 rubber void ratio so that you don't have to think twice before heading off the road to bypass the traffic.
The tourRs come with an optimized polymer blend to reduce wear rate, while the angular blocks at the shoulder allow for maximum traction in the corners.
Even straight line stability is enhanced thanks to the connected wide polygonal center.
And very importantly, the crafted tread design simply adds even more value to my neo-retro machine's timeless looks.
India is best experienced on a motorcycle. We already love our ADVs, but to head to uncharted territory, you need tires that can take a beating without compromising on-road performance. The Reise trailRs are bespoke tires crafted to explore mountains and trails. India's only 50/50 tire, the trailR is ideal for all weather and conditions, be it tarmac or off-road. And fret not, it does not compromise on the grip, whatever surface you're riding on. I'm finally back in range, and I'm guessing Zaran isn't too far behind either.
Time to follow your dreams. Make your way up to the top. Take a breath and make it out of here. We ain't never gonna turn around. Never look into the ground. Now it's time to change, to make it real.
Impressed?
Absolutely, yes. It's impossible not to be. The roads were incredible, these views have been spectacular, and even that little stint off-road was great fun. What more can one ask for? What are you doing?
Let's go find the next track.
Sounds good.